Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to install Claude AI in PowerPoint. So let me open up one PowerPoint right here. Okay. Now what we need to do is head over here to the Home tab, and then all the way on the right side you will see icon and text add-ins. So click on that. All right. Now you can type in Claude and you will see it right over here. Click on it. Now you will need to log in to your account. So what we are going to do is just simply log in. All right. So make sure that you have some pro version or something, pro, max, or team, or enterprise subscription. Otherwise you can't do that. So yeah, it's a little bit annoying, but you can't do much. All right, here it is how you can open Claude quickly. So you can use Ctrl Alt C. If you are on Mac, I think you can just change this Ctrl with Option Alt and then C. And here we have now our Claude chat activated. And yeah, what we can do now is just start analyze, for example, this PowerPoint. So we can change something here. So let's say, and we will see what will happen if we change this 64%. Change 64% to, let's say, 70%. And let's see what will happen. Allow once right here. And now, as you can see, it changed extremely fast. And yeah, I hope that this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.